How the hell are we getting this in? Oh. Early morning trip to the machine shop. So I have to work my actual job today. I got an open house at noon, so figured I might as well get up super early and be at the machine shop when they open the doors. So they open at 9. It's about 8:30 right now. A little behind schedule because the GPS has me getting there a little after 9 o'clock. But we're heading out to Southborough. This machine shop has come highly recommended by several people I know. So I'm gonna go drop the Hemi off, have it looked at, cleaned up, honed up, have the crank looked at, and yeah. So hopefully it should be a good day. Hopefully this shouldn't take them too long, and we can get this thing back next week and start the assembly. So I will catch up with you guys as soon as we get out to Southborough. Well, so that sucks. So that's some pretty bad news. Unfortunately, it's not even worth having the work done to the engine. The crank actually is in worse shape than we originally assumed, and it would actually cost almost, you said, about $400 or $500 to have it all turned and ground down. You can buy a replacement one from O'Reilly Auto Parts for a lot less than that. Engine block's going to need a lot more work to get rid of this heavy rust, and then obviously by doing that we're going to possibly distort the cylinder walls, he said, so that is going to entail actually boring this out. So this is blowing everything completely out of the budget, so we are not going to be dropping this off, and we are going to see if we can pull apart that other engine that we have and see if that's in any better shape. So a little bit of a setback, but that's okay. That's to be expected. If money wasn't an object, we'd be good to roll, but trying to stick with the budget, we got to do what we got to do. So let's bring this boat anchor back home and see what we can do.